Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to create a glam look. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. And here I'm taking the Wet n Wild foundation in a darker shade, because a darker shade of foundation helps to cancel all the blemishes, dark spots and everything else you have in your face, like everything. It cancels out everything. And it is also very important, guys, to blend it, because when you blend the foundation properly, it helps your skin to look very flawless. So it's very important to blend, guys. So blend properly. I'm using the beauty sponge to blend. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro concealer, which is my favorite concealer, and I'm just highlighting the places which are needed to be highlighted under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin and my nose, and yeah, the stuffs like that are needed to be highlighted. I'm putting the concealer there. So now I'm using the brush to blend the concealer. This concealer is very dry, so make sure you properly hydrate your skin before you put this concealer, and it's very difficult to blend too, so you have to blend it very fast. I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magic face powder to just set my face where I've put the concealer, because I love this powder. You have seen a big hole in between, so I have used this powder a lot, and this is very important steps to set your makeup in place. It's very important. So I'm powdering my whole face here. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Rosé in Air palette. I'm using that peachy transition shade all over my lid. It's a very soft, warm shade. So I'm blending it out. Now I'm taking that pinkish shade. It's a burnt pink. It's so beautiful, but I think it was not very pigmented because it was not showing up. I have to dip in 2 to 3 times to get that color. But yeah, I really like this palette and the color too. I have used other shades and it's perfectly good. I'm doing the same thing in my other eye. This is the close-up look, guys. So now I'm putting a concealer in an angular brush so that the shimmery shade catches properly, because shimmer shades sometimes doesn't tend to stick to your eyes. So it's better if you put a concealer and then you put the shimmery shade. I'm just wetting my brush now, and do you see the shine now? See, guys, the shine is everything. I just love how the shimmery shade worked out. I'm taking back my burnt orange shade for the transition and just shading it out. I'm taking the pink shade now and I'm just shading it out. Just putting it on my outer corner so that it darken up a little, so that the outer shade looks good and blended out. Now I'm just blending the whole look. Guys, this is the Nykaa eyeliner. Do you know how many time does it took me to put a liner? It took like a full 1 hour to just do that. This is the Fashion Brow Maybelline. I'm putting just the powder in my eyebrows. I love the shape of my eyebrows, so I'm just giving it a color. It's in a gray shade. I love this shaper too. Do you see that? I love how my eye look turns out. This is the mascara. This is the Maybelline one Hyper Curl mascara. I love this mascara. You'll see in a small time how big the difference it will make, just in a small time. Do you see that? Just see. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Your eyes full on with mascara looks so beautiful. I'm taking this Maybelline Master Chrome palette and I'm using that blush shade. I'm making that face because it's very powdery and it's not at all pigmented. It has glitter chunks in that blush, so I didn't like it much. I'm taking that contour shade and I'm just sculpting my features, just showing off. Just make a fish hook face and just contour your face. So never forget to contour your chin, guys. The double chin, no one wants to see that. Just contour it. I'm putting a little bit of highlighter from that palette only because the blush added so much of highlighter. So I'm just brushing out a very little. You can see in a very light hand. I'm doing that in a very light hand. This is the Nykaa lipstick, Creamy Mattes, in the shade Daydreaming. It's a very good pinky nude shade. And guys, I'm doing voiceover because it's very difficult for me to talk when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, so this is the final look. If you love how this look turned out, you can always subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell notification right next to it so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Comment down below how do you like this look or not. So yeah guys, love you all, bye bye.